Most people get this wrong, especially the last step. And that's exactly why their geranium never blooms. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to fix to get more flowers. Step by step, with simple changes that make a huge difference. The number one reason your geranium is not blooming is not water, not fertilizer, it's light. Geraniums need direct sunlight to produce flowers, not just bright shade. A very common mistake is placing them near a window or in a spot that looks bright but only gets indirect light. In those conditions, the plant will grow leaves, look healthy, but it won't bloom. Geraniums need at least 6 hours of direct sun every day. Morning sun is great, but if you can give them full sun for most of the day, even better. If your plant is indoors, move it to the sunniest window you have, ideally south or west facing. And if it's outside, make sure it's not being blocked by walls, trees, or shade during the day. The second mistake that stops your geranium from blooming is overwatering. This is one of the most common problems, especially for beginners. Many people think more water means a healthier plant, but with geraniums it's the opposite. Too much water keeps the roots constantly wet, and instead of producing flowers, the plant focuses on survival. Geraniums prefer the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. You should never water on a fixed schedule. Instead, check the soil with your finger. If the top 1 to 2 inches feel dry, then it's time to water. If it still feels moist, wait. This simple habit can completely change how your plant grows. Also, make sure your pot has good drainage. If water gets trapped at the bottom, the roots can start to rot, and a stressed plant will not bloom. When you water, do it deeply until water comes out of the drainage hole, and then let the soil dry again before the next watering. If your geranium has yellowing leaves, soft stems, or looks weak even though you're watering often, overwatering is likely the problem. Once you fix this, your plant will redirect its energy into producing flowers instead of just staying alive. If your geranium has healthy leaves but still won't bloom, then this is probably what you're missing, feeding it the right way. Most people either don't fertilize at all, or they use the wrong type, and that makes a huge difference. Geraniums need nutrients to produce flowers, but not just any fertilizer. If you use one that's too high in nitrogen, you'll get a lot of green leaves, but very few blooms. What you want is a balanced fertilizer, or one slightly higher in phosphorus, because that's what supports flower production. During the growing season, especially in spring and summer, feed your geranium every 2 to 3 weeks. Liquid fertilizers work great because they're easy to absorb and act faster. But here's something important: never overfeed. Too much fertilizer can actually stress the plant and reduce blooming. If your plant looks big and leafy but has no flowers, chances are it's getting too much nitrogen or not enough nutrients for blooming. Once you start feeding it correctly, you'll notice more buds forming and flowers lasting longer. If you want your geranium to keep blooming non-stop, this is something you cannot skip: removing the old flowers. This process is called deadheading, and it makes a huge difference. When a flower starts to fade or dry out, the plant begins putting energy into producing seeds instead of new blooms. So if you leave those old flowers on the plant, you're actually slowing down future flowering. The solution is simple. As soon as a flower starts to look dry or wilted, remove it completely. Don't just pull off the petals. Cut or snap the entire flower stem from the base. This tells the plant to stop focusing on seeds and start producing new buds. You can also lightly prune long or leggy stems. This helps the plant stay compact and encourages more branching, which means more flowers. If you do this regularly, you'll notice your geranium blooming more often and looking much fuller. Here's one more simple tip that can make a big difference. Don't use a pot that's too large. Geraniums actually bloom better when they're slightly root-bound. If the pot is too big, the plant will focus on growing roots and leaves instead of flowers. So if your geranium is in a very large container and not blooming, that could be the reason. A slightly tight pot encourages more blooms. Now, if you combine everything we talked about, enough sunlight, proper watering, the right feeding, and removing old flowers, your geranium will naturally start producing more and more blooms. And one last thing, if you're not sure which type of geranium you have, you might be missing key details for its care. So make sure to watch this next video where I show you the different types of geraniums and how to identify them.